Hope you are doing well. So in this program I'll show you how you can create an image through program or through code. So I'm using Java to create an image. Firstly, create a class and declare a image path where the image has to be saved. So here I'm just saving in the projects folder itself. So after executing, you can see the image here itself in the projects folder. Then in the create own image method, I'm declaring the width and the height of the image. So for this simple example, I'll take 50 by 50, and then I'll declare an image img of the type buffered image. So Java has provided this buffered image. So we this extends java.aw.image. So this Java images has many methods and variables. So in the constructor of this, I'll set the width and height and the type of the image. So this type of the image shall be of RGB. Okay, we have other as well, like gray we have, and we have BSR, and many types of images are there. So here I'll just go to RGB. So the thing is that any image um, is constructed using many pixels, right? So here if you go, an image is nothing, image is the building, pixel is the building block of an image. So in the RGB values, red, green and blue, each pixels needs 1 byte, so 8 bits. So the thing is that the right proportion of red, green and blue basic colors will give a full image, right? So yeah, the value is from 0 to 255. So 0 means it's black, and all white means 255. So this is how that image works. So if this is the image, every pixel is made up of the RGB value colors mentioned in the right proportion. So in this example, just to create a blue colored image, I'm just taking 255, okay, the full value of blue, and making it 0 0 R and G as 0 and make it as blue. So what I'll do is I'll iterate through the image. So if this is an okay, fine, if this is an image, I'll iterate through width and iterate through height and construct each and every pixels of the image, right? I'll iterate through width, iterate through height and construct each and every pixels of the image. So I will use two for loop, and color class, this implements paint, right? So this is used to paint an image. Yeah. And I'll declare a new color of 0 0 and 255, because I just want a blue colored image for this example, right? And then I'll set this image as ij, and I will be I'll iterate through the loop and set the color to 255. So only blue color will be there. So after the iteration, using the image IO class, right, using the image IO class, I'll just write the image and I'll specify the format as PNG in the new file of the image path. The file will create a new file of the type PNG and image. So let me just execute this one. Yeah, image is created, right? And if I just refresh the project, yeah. And here I can see just a blue colored image. So this is how you can generate an image. So even AI, ML and everything just constructs an image, maybe of the same method, but may use a different logic. So that's it. You can create an image through programmatically, and yeah, this is how you can create. So if you can just change maybe 1 2 3 and some 4 5, and I'll just delete this image. And if I rerun the program, yeah, we'll get some another pic. See, some other pic, because we changed the color of the image. So in every for loop, if we can change the color, we can construct any type of image we want. So that's it, all set, and Jai Vishnu, thanks.